What up, people? Alright, we back. So, we've had a catastrophe happen. I had a hard drive go. Well, start slipping. So I tried to migrate it over to a new hard drive. In the process of doing that, it crashed and ruined both UEFIs. I've now tried to reinstall it on multiple hard drives and keep getting failures. They're all old hard drives except for one, and it freezes up. And it might be because it's a Windows 11, so we're trying a Windows 10, but for some reason Windows 10 is having an issue with the media creation tool. I have to find my Windows 10 original, so we're gonna do that. Do a little time lapse of me tearing my apartment apart to find a little tiny flash drive with Windows 10, the bot version, with my code and everything, so I could just restart, refresh. I'm gonna go get another hard drive just for the Windows, put on there, brand new solid state, instead of a hard drive, which is what I got originally. Electrify it, but this guy right here, Western Digital, 1 terabyte. I don't know why it keeps freezing. I'm at a loss. So that's where the situation lies, and this is my main PC. I just put new RAM in it. We're in full 64 gigs. I just cleaned it up. Now can't do anything, can't edit, it's crazy. I have my laptop, which works, but not great. I usually use to remote in to this, so we're gonna figure this out. And you guys are gonna come along for the ride. It's a Saturday, so we have all day. It's before 9 o'clock in the morning, but let's try to find this Windows installation. My actual Windows drive. Alright, so watch me tear this place apart. It's time lapse. Alright, so tore this closet apart. I thought it was in there. It's not in there. So what do we do now? Well, during that process, I made a backup on another USB flash drive. So now I'm gonna go get a hard drive to put Windows 10 on, and then we'll upgrade from that and do everything and try not to lose all the files. I know how to recover them if so, but it would just be a fucking bigger pain in the ass than I'm already dealing with. So don't want to have to do that. Luckily I have a lot of stuff on external hard drives. Smart man. Yeah, turning out to be a pain in the arse. And I don't know what I did with my Windows. Activation and USB. I'm gonna check the car too, see if it's in there. Kind of wet and rainy, so I don't know if I'll be filming outside with all of that, even though the camera is weather resistant, weather sealed. When you have a mic attached to it, you open up the weather seal, no longer weather sealed. Yeah, so I guess let's go on about our journey and figure this out, and then we'll find out whether or not what I'm trying here will work or not. The messed up thing is I just got one of these bad boys, an M.2, and I thought this would be perfect, but it doesn't seem to work. Maybe it's because I'm trying Windows 11 on it. So we'll try the Windows 10 and see where we go. And I still have some cleaning up to do, and might as well get everything arranged and all that, so I have some more time lapse of doing that, setting up the Christmas tree. It's almost Thanksgiving. I like to set it up like a week before Thanksgiving and then have it up throughout the holiday. Not to mention if we need shoots, little minis, Christmas minis, Thanksgiving, stuff like that, then I have some props ready in the shooting area over there. Yeah, place is a mess, but got some closet space back, so that's cool. Did the same with the other closet. Gonna do the same with this closet, and then set up the front closet better than it is, and throw some of the stuff out that's in there. Really haven't used that much, but gonna start utilizing it. Yeah. So stay along for the journey, stay along for the ride. This is just like a life update vlog, and show you guys how we fix this situation over here. All right. See you now. Alrighty then. So we're gonna give it the attempt for getting this bad boy running on the Windows 10. Kick her on. So this screen here is gonna be the one that we're looking at. Okay, so that is our setup one. Yes, okay. So the last couple times I tried this, it crashed out into like a fucked up screen, so I'm hoping it doesn't do that again for Windows 10. That would blow Billy Goat. And it does. I don't know why we're getting that break apart there. It just doesn't make any fucking sense. I don't understand. Maybe we'll have to try to get a different version of Windows. But we'll. Oh, it's working. Maybe I just need to let it fucking go for a second. It's still moving. And shout out Oompaville. Watching on my little Xfinity thing, keeping me from losing my fucking mind. Oh, okay. Setup is starting. Can't find my product keys, so don't have one. Alright, accept license. Next. I believe we want to format all this. Okay, maybe this is what we needed to do this whole time. Maybe I don't need a new hard drive. Maybe. We'll see if this thing crashes. See, that's the problem, is every time I got Windows 11 like kind of up and running on the M.2, it would crash. Crashing's no good. Hoping we didn't just crash right there. I don't know what's going on with all this shit. It's fucking ridiculous. That's how you almost break your tempered glass fucking front panel. I don't like that it does that. That shit's not cool. Beavis. That shit's not cool. I feel like we're just in a fucking restart, but I don't like it. I don't know if it's frozen or what. Pretty sure it's frozen since the keyboard light is off. It's kind of how you can tell. And I don't know why it's freezing. Let's see. The keyboard's lit up. Trying this again. files ready for installation. Yeah, we'll get this whole desk set up and looking nice and get stuff in a prim and proper place. Kind of get set up to be able to do more streams efficiently and easily. There's hopefully some better camera angles. I tried to set up 2 different cameras. One's a little lower quality, or a lot lower quality, but we use it for the podcast and it does alright. Eventually, try to get a 360 camera and set one of those up too. Keyboard's still on. We're like stuck at a good 20% on the files, getting ready for installation. And it's froze. Son of a bitch. Alright, one last attempt and then we just go get the hard drive. And we figure all this out as we go. Okay, crash out. Act like you're crashing out at least. Come on, baby. So like the hopeful thing is to put the C drive on this fucking M.2. Okay. So as of right now, we know that there is no Windows installed. But we're gonna get that hopefully installed this go around. Okay, so we're just gonna go get a brand new solid state hard drive, put that in. It'd be the only thing in there. Put Windows on it, get into Windows, make sure that I can start and restop it, put all the other hard drives back in, and then clean them and fix them as need be. So let's do that. Okay, so all suited up, ready to rock. Now it's time to go and get a hard drive. Grab an extra battery. Alright. That light. We shouldn't be gone too long. Gotta get my keys. This coffee. Let's stop and get some coffees too. It's working. Did not check to see if the mic was working. All right, so we got a SATA cable, and we got a solid state. Oh no, I didn't look at it. This says portable. All right, well, we're gonna have to go in and fucking return this now. Switch it out for non-portable. Fuck. All fucking ready then. All right. So, got it. Exchanged for the right fucking one. I'm glad I filmed that to check it. 1 terabyte internal. And it's a different name too, so we'll be able to actually fucking find it. And I saved $4. Pretty cool, huh? So that's gonna get us a fucking couple coffees over here at the Schmafway. So, I'll see you guys at home. Hello. Alright, so we're back. Time to install and get this thing working once and for all. Okay, listen, it's some news right now, but anyway, the important thing is we're in. So I don't know if it was the Windows bootloader migration thing or what it was. And I did have one issue already, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. So far so good. Cleaning up and checking and recovering files from the mistakes and errors, because I basically wiped every fucking disk and tried to boot it on that before I went and bought one. Figured all the disks were bad. I don't think it was the disks, not all of them. I'm starting to think it was the Windows operating system. So what I did is I have my laptop and I just cloned that one, but you need a handy dandy, a real handy dandy. That ain't it. Where did I put it? There. I've been going crazy here. It's taken all day to get to this point. So this little thing right here, this bad boy, it is a hard drive to USB. So I took one of the SSDs, hooked it up to this thing, copied it over. It took a couple hours. Once it was copied over, installed all the hard drives back, plugged it in, ran it as the bootloader. Guess what? It worked. And then I tried to open up the Disk Genie that I'm using right now, and it crashed. But it collected the information for the crash, fixed it, did an update. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm tired, but stared at a screen, just sitting here figuring shit out for well over 8 hours. My whole Saturday's gone to this. Now, scanning the 3 terabyte because it's going to be the biggest fucking hard drive to recover the files from. Then we'll do the same for each individual one, and we will try to copy the main Windows over to the NVMe and .2, but who knows if that will work or not. Who knows? Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Keep you updated. And yeah, I gotta get all these done so I can even edit this. So just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know we're in there, like swimwear. So Matt Jensen. All right, so update. It's a day later, a whole other day later. Sunday. My computer's going crazy still. I got into Windows. Thumbs up. Yeah. It still crashes randomly. So I'm figuring that out. It might have something to do with the fact that it's like a laptop OS cloned onto a PC. I don't know. I'm not smart. I'm dumb. It's been a crazy process. I think I need bigger flash drives in order to do the Windows update. I don't know what was going on with those. I've like re-downloaded them, downloaded them, and they just kept looping into madness. It was not cool. I tried 2-3 different flash drives. Then eventually I just used that thing and cloned it, merged OS from the laptop onto a hard drive, solid state, put that in here, booted off of that, and Bob's your uncle. Here we are. So now I can at least like watch YouTube and shit. But it's having issues with a lot of other things, and it's frustrating. And I think my M.2 chip is bad, so I gotta try to find the receipt for that and return that and get another one or get my money back. Yeah, so it's been a weekend of that, trying to fix this damn computer, and it's not. Anyway, shout out to D Dunking, who's just on Joe Rogan, local Spokane. So, knowledgeable dude. Go and subscribe to him. He's smart. I'm not. So, you know, you get your dumb shit here. You can go get some smart shit over there. But yeah, I think it's getting close to that time of like PC rebuild from the ground up. And I still can't find my Windows. If I could find my Windows USB that I paid $130 for and the box, which has to be somewhere, if and when I find them, it's game over. I can fix everything. It's game over. It's game over. So, yes, stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated on this journey of sadness and victory, the tragic story of life in which we all lead. Amen. Okay. So, update. It froze again. Gotta figure out what DPC watchdog violation is. Fix that issue before I can even install Windows. It freezes up every single time. I've been at this for hours. I've been checking all of my hard drives up here in order to see if there's any bad cylinders or drive ports or anything wrong with the discs, and so far there's been nothing. And then we have this happening. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully I can get it figured out. I need this PC. We'll see you soon. Yeah, no. Just restarts again. I'm thinking the CPU is bad. Fuck. I don't know what to do with this point. Oi. So, we back with another video. Never do what I do. I ain't bad, man. Computer's still down, as you've seen up until this point. Ordered a new motherboard and a new CPU just to get up and running again. But I do hope to be able to fix this. So we're getting on the easy bug CPU. Red light comes on, comes off. Then VGA, then boot, all red lights, go on, go off. I guess you would think that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. From everything I've seen, usually it stays on. But even if we get into Windows, it crashes, like, immediately. Immediately crashes. So, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. So we're going to tear this whole thing apart and see if maybe part of it is something's hooked up wrong, something's not hooked up, or is got something in it, dust or something. I don't know, that's keeping it from connecting the CPU, because the VDDP when you're in BIOS doesn't show up either. So I don't know. I got stuff playing in the background that for me to listen to try to figure some of this stuff out. But try to get yourself a grounding wrist strap, you know, and ground yourself. Be smart about doing stuff like this. You just want to be as smart as you can be when it comes to stuff like this to not ruin it. I have a motherboard coming, so I want to be very careful with the GPU. Try to save that as much as possible, and same with the RAM. And I got my CPU, so what I'm going to do is unplug everything, dismount everything, and then mount it all back up. I'm gonna get the battery, the power supply out, and see what we got in there. So here we go. I guess a little time lapse, or yeah, let's do a time lapse. Let's have fun with that. So we'll play some music, do a time lapse. So we'll do a proper time lapse of photos. Okay, tore apart, put back together. Fingers crossed that it doesn't give us the same issues, or else something worse is going on. And it's got to be motherboard, somehow the power supply or something. I don't know, but we shall see. Here we go. I'm gonna readjust everything. Alright. Just gonna we're just gonna boot it up to see if we get the same CPU lights. And we do. Well, we've tried it all, folks. Not exactly sure what's going on. Well, we tried. Continue the saga. Hello, YouTube. We are back. We're back with another. Oh, no, we're still here. We're still here on this juncture. So, what is going on? The old, the new. Doing an unboxing. Got the beautiful. My grandma opened it up already. We got a whole lot of headroom. Let's adjust you guys, shall I? Alright. This is the box. So it took out the old motherboard, as you can see, and the CPU. Kept having an issue, couldn't get it to boot, tried everything. So here we are. We got gunshot pop, battle rack. The Intel Core unlocked i9 12th gen right shaw. I'll set that over here. More bubbly wraps. And then we got the friggin' motherboard for your ass. Motherboard for that ass. Alright, so, Lightning 5th gen. 14 outlets, power system. Nice. 2x 8-pin CPU power. Nice. Front USB Type-C. Nice. And then Lightning USB 20 gig. Nice. Alright, cool. Shield Frozer. I don't know what the fuck that is. I've just got a whole overview. I'll take a picture of the box and implant it here. But until we get this thing up and running, we cannot edit this video, so we have to get this thing running. So this supports 12th and 13th gen core. Nice, so we can even upgrade if we want to in this motherboard. A beaut, a real beaut. That's the motherboard. Oh shit, that thing keeps falling. It's just a USB port. So here's our case. We're gonna use the old case. Eventually we'll buy a new case and put the old motherboard once we get it fixed and everything working. Might just get the cooler piece that I need for this and return this. We'll find out. We'll see how that works. But I got another Kraken 360. No, it fits the case. Fits the front of the case. I think it even fit the top, to be honest with you. And we might do a top-down run. But then again, it gets more dust and stuff in the top than it does on this front pans. Kind of. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing together. It'll probably be like a time lapse again. Just easier than trying to focus on doing the two things at once, because I'm not a super professional PC builder. I am still pretty novice. But yeah, we didn't really need this for that, or this, because it's already an open box, but for the look. There we go. It's done. The box is open. I got the Corsair thermal paste. This is the XTM70. It's the extra cooling shit. Supposedly that's why it costs more. Yes. So for the CPU, got our Kraken. Let's get things put together, shall we? Time-lapse mode activate. What up? Alright, so watching a little Theo Bond before we get on our way with Matt McCusker. Shout outs to Matt and Shane's Secret Podcast. Super dope. Make sure you go check out Long River Glow Podcast, mine. So we're gonna end up walking over to the train station so the car can stay here. Get on the train, head to Everett, and meet the fam. Illa, his wife, get them packed up, moved over here. They got a nice little spot over here. I got the keys on my key ring and get the traveling going. All right, I will try to get some B-roll. You know, it's gonna be 2 a.m. on the Spokane streets downtown, so we'll be a little iffy about what we're doing. I will be strapped, so I ain't tripping too hard, but at the same time, one of me, don't know how many of them. So we'll get what we can. We're slow. If you see B-roll, you see B-roll. Otherwise, we'll get it on the train. 15 to 4. Kind of a shaky train. But we got our own little cabin. Thanks to the homeboy. But look, fam, this shit's sick. And we'll get some B-roll when we can see. Shit's bouncing. But yeah, we'll see you guys here in a bit. We can get to Everett. Stay tuned. Stay watching. Much love. Crazy tweakers over here. We at Everett. This is boy. What? Your side? This bitch. You good. I slept at this fucking thing on that train. Yeah. Cold. It's fucking cold. Thank you. It feels like it's just been cold, except for the train ride. The train ride was warm.
It was?
It was very warm. Got back. Welcome back to us. Illa's here now. Aaron's here now. Their dogs are here now. Mufasa. The dogs are here now. Mufasa doll. Oh, I'm so tired. We gotta unload tomorrow. But we're back here. We did it. We made it happen. Some very long days. Tomorrow will be a shorter one, but still some work. So good night. Sleep tight. See you when the morning bugs bite.
I think you go live from your phone.
Yeah, you can.
Right there.
So where are we at right
Ready
now?
for gifts and live stream. Turn on.
Oh, we never been on live. That's
Turn on in studio. You can now let fans send gifts. You'll see. Turn on.
Where are we at right now? Do you know? This is Manitou Park.
Manitou
Manitou Gardens.
Manitou
All right, hold on. Title.
They're doing a light show.
How do you spell it?
Oh, my battery. Oh, the light battery died.
Is it M-A-N-A?
M-A-N-T-I-O. Manitou.
M-A-N-T-I-O?
Yeah. T-I.
Gardens.
Gardens.
Alright, well, this light isn't going to work because it died.
M-A-N-T-I-O Gardens? Or is it Manitou?
It's Manitou. N-I-T-O.
Okay. M-A-N-I-T.
Like that.
Okay, yep, right there. Manitou Gardens.
Hold up.
Hell no, I ain't
I'm
giving
not
out the
going to take this
location.
light back. There's no need for it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I thought you were spelling it for me to do it. Hold on. Christmas.
And it's heavy, so there's no need to carry it. We'll use the lights of this place. Yes.
Look at that. They're like ornaments. Yeah, you see this up in the trees? They got ornaments up in the trees.
Yeah, it looks like
lights. This is tight, y'all. Look at how one is that.
Like I said, I apologize in advance if you guys get dizzy.
Yeah, this is dope. That's crazy. Why is it doing that? Oh, you're good. Sorry about that.
What?
That's weird. I want to ask Zach.
Try press something.
Look.
Kids when I was working and they found some stuff.
Okay, so we've changed locations. We went from Namco Park. Now we are downtown at the skate park area.
Because you said I didn't take a bitch. This is jump bitch. Jump.
Tell me, what did you think? Good.
Oh, sorry.
Was it all that you expected?
No.
No? Was it all you guys cracked up to be? Was it all that you wanted?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Perfect. And that's a wrap.